A lot of marriages are saved by adultery. Yes. Adultery is actually saving a lot of marriages. You don't even want me to explain here. What part don't you understand? I mean, your marriage is working right now because of adultery. Not because you are doing it. Maybe because your partner is actually doing it. So your partner will not bother you. Sometimes when your partner stops bothering you, adultery has taken over. Yes. When someone who used to ask you, where are you? When are you coming back home? When they suddenly stop, yeah, they may be fed up. But sometimes they have replaced you. So yes, a lot of your marriages that are working now may actually be saved by the fact that someone, one of you or both of you, are in adultery.